cheer, cheer for old Baker High. On the rock and ring on the rock. Send the freshmen out for gin and don't let us over. Lion men, we never stagger, we never fall. We sober up on wood alcohol. When we die, we'll burn in fire for glory of Baker High.
Hey guys, it's Dave from Baker High School class of 1977. Getting ready for the Cooks gathering today with Baker High School alumni. It's something, you know, our class alumni puts together periodically throughout the year based on, you know, us getting together and doing things, you know, because this is what's left of our beloved high school. It's now a Walmart. But that's not the only thing that's changed. I mean, there's a lot of things changed on this corner. You know, at first I was apprehensive about them putting this Walmart here because we lost our high school, but looking at what it's actually really kind of done for this side of town, since we lost Gaylord's, we lost Howard Brothers, Miller's, we really didn't have a store on this side of town that you could go to get things like they sell here. But not only that, Gus's is gone from that corner. The Taco Bell's gone from that corner. The Synovus Bank, well, CB&T as we knew it, that branch is closed. But that nasty ass Crystal's still down there.
Look, you would not believe how hard. Thank you.
Hey. Well, say who you are so that people will know who you are if they don't know already.
I don't know who I am in case the sheriff's looking
you're incognito, the sheriff looking
That's
for you?
right, in case the sheriff's looking for
Well, he's going to see your picture up on the post office
Well,
wall.
maybe I changed my
FBI is looking.
You have to wear your mask.
I went back. I left my
Well, have a good time. Hello, sir. Say who you folks are and where, what year?
I'm Mary Ann Brown Warner,
Okay.
class of 65.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, goodness.
Well, I'm 77, so you're just a little bit ahead of me.
Yeah, just a little bit, maybe. Okay.
What But you're not as old as Roy now. I mean, Roy, he went there, I think, in, I've got one, but I've got two now. I've got two now. Thank you, sir. You can't have too many religions.
That's it.
This is my friend Kenneth Arnold.
I didn't go to Baker, but I'm here
That's
supporting.
okay. We're all family.
We're all family.
If you know somebody that went to Baker, you're part of the Baker family. So there you go. You're always
Most of my family, they was Baker, Jordan, everywhere. They just spread it.
Yeah, I went by there before I came here to just kind of shoot a little video. You know, it's Walmart now, and then Gus's is gone. But I said something about we still got that nasty crystal up there. It hasn't changed.
John, you said,
Some things will never change.
you said Ron and Don?
What needs to change, they won't change it.
Exactly. Well, y'all have a good time. Enjoy yourselves.
And biased. Recently class of 77, came out early, 76.
Okay. Well, see, we were in the same class then. See, good.
Okay, you remember Miss Jones, the math teacher, and the science teacher, Lion.
Mr. Lyon?
Yeah, Mr. Lyon.
Yes, I remember him.
I was in
Math teachers, I didn't remember too many of them because I wasn't that good in math. So
Yeah, I was.
that wasn't my favorite subject.
Expertise.
ROTC was my
I was
subject.
in ROTC with you.
That's probably where I was on the drill camp.
I was
And
in
your
there.
name?
And bias.
Okay, I remember you.
Me and Mary Jackson were together.
Yeah.
One but a few of us over there.
See, we're the babies of this whole group, Amy.
I know.
Well, because after the '70s, not a whole lot of people come to these little gatherings. We have.
Oh, okay.
It says it's tired too.
It was good seeing you again. Good that we made it this far, huh?
I know. This is my legend, Ryan.
Okay, it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Now you didn't go to Baker.
No, I'm
We
not
met
even.
in the military.
Oh, okay.
I lost my dad.
My brother.
How are you doing today, sir?
It's great.
That's not your purple car out there anymore, is it? Oh, that's still yours? Okay, that's yours. That's your base.
That's his Cadillac.
Yes.
That's my wife's.
Thunderbird. Okay, you got all three of the classic vehicles out there. It's good. I took some pictures of them earlier.
I got me a new motor.
Did you wait for the rest of the place? I've got some pictures of some candid photos of not that kind of photo.
You got what?
Just she wasn't posing for them. She's just natural photo. That's what I meant to say, natural photo. Y'all have a good time. Thank you. Thanks for having us here, Roy. This must be where all the cool kids are down here.
That's because it's cool down here.
It is cool in there because all the cool kids are down there. What year?
76.
Oh, okay. You're Linda Thornton. Okay. No hair, that's what it is. Say your names and what year.
Barbara Ball, 1972. Sandra Ortiz, 1972.
All right.
And your guest? He's not going to say.
Billy Ball from Harris County.
From Harris County, 1978.
Okay. All right.
Ron Scott, 1974.
Jimmy Bowles, 1962.
Janice Ball, 66.
Janice Dean, 66.
Now I noticed you guys always dance a lot together. That's your dancing partner? I always thought you were sister. You're his sister though, right? Yeah. No, you're not his sister.
It's me and her sister.
Oh, that's sister. Okay, I knew there was
Janice and she's Janice.
Okay, I knew there was a relationship somewhere.
I'm Jimmy and her husband's Jimmy.
Okay.
Yeah, he's getting
Two Jimmys and two Janices.
My husband's getting
We hang around together so we won't forget their names.
There you go.
All right, Kenny. Hey, how you doing?
There you go. That's a good idea. We all have a good time tonight.
I'm good. How are you?
I'll catch y'all out there dancing later.
Open minds in a cage, hungry hearts in a rage, glowing eyes in a daze. saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound. The hill is near, let's get right up. Walk up to the very top. We couldn't tell the sky from the ground. I know my life will never be the same after that day. You wrap me around your fingers and you stay. I don't ever wanna be alone again. In spite of all, you're my best friend. Warning from the past. So make sure you're learning from mistakes that you did last. Send me a letter when you're done, evaluating what your short life has become. You should know. You should know. Don't try to cover up your ways. In light of what you've seen so far, there are better ways. Throw preconceptions down the drain, 'cause this is your